local nursery near my house. One of the girls is follows me on Instagram, so she had sent me some pictures of some succulents that they had received. They sell all kinds of plants, so they don't focus only on succulents, but I wanted to come see their plants. Look how cute. I have that one. I'm just coming to see like what they have that I might not have. Look, they have a Pro Newtonberg. I don't have that. I don't have this. Some different ones that I don't have. That's a cool one. That's pretty. Look at these. So cute. That one's cute too. Very pretty. These don't have any names.
Hola, ¿cómo está?
Bien, ¿y tú?
Aquí estamos trabajando.
Trabajando y calor.
Uy, sí,
Oh my God.
sudando ahí.
Mucho calor. Solamente vine a ver las plantas que la muchacha joven me mandó fotos para que viniera a verlas.
Ok.
¿Sabes cuántas son las chiquitas?
No, pero podemos preguntar.
Ya, yo le pregunto. Entonces, that one's cool. ¿Viste? Me hizo caso, se mantienen más bonitas aquí.
Sí.
Allá se queman.
Se quema. También si el que las compre y si las pone como en la cocina y todo eso.
Sí, sí, sí. Que tengo un poco. Esta no, esta parece que mucha agua o algo.
¿Tu inocencia tiene idea de cuánto
That
cuestan
one's pretty cool.
las plantas suculentas? Las pequeñitas que están aquí adentro.
So cute. This is I think this is the same one I like at my house. The panda one. Sorry guys, they're talking to me. That one's really cool. I don't have that one. Anyways guys, I came by here real quick to look and seeing how much they are. I like this one. That one I like.
Cuesta 4.
Cuatro? Okay, thank you. I think I'm gonna take this one, guys. So cute. I don't have this one. I actually like this color too, but I'm not sure about that one. I'm going to another nursery, so that's why. I think I'm just gonna stick to this one because the other one's a little bit bigger and they do tend to have more succulents, so that's what I'm gonna do. Okay guys, so I am at this big nursery, and the first thing that you see when you walk in over here is this big beautiful arrangement. That is beautiful, and it is $250 for that beauty. And now I'm gonna go this way and find more plants. Guys, look at these beauties over here. These arrangements. Wow, so pretty. 3-gallon aloe. I don't know. Okay, so this is $35, and then this is $25 for that one. And this one, don't see a price. Some of them have prices and some don't, or they're shoved somewhere. Wow, that one's really nice. I like that one. So pretty. This nursery is pretty far away from my house. The drive, look at that sedum, so pretty. Look at these. You see, look at this topsy-turvy. It looks so different than mine. Mine is like on a thinner side. This is super thick. Super thick. So pretty to see them all like this. Can't get around over there because they have some grass over there, girl. Stacks of grass. Patches of grass. Cactus and succulents $4.50, and then I guess the bigger ones are $6. So pretty. But I was looking for something, you know, unique, something that I don't already have. I was hoping to find something I don't already have. These don't have names, guys, so cannot tell you the names, but you know, you recognize these, right? I have these at home, and I have those at home, and man, look at how beautiful that. I think this is like a mini, you know what, this one does have a name. This is a mini, a dwarf ghost plant. Yep, it's pretty. I don't know, maybe I'll think about that one. I might be interested in that one. Look at these. big ones. Look at these big owls. This is the T-Rex. This is, see, they have plants from Altman's too. This is an Apuntia Gumby. That's cool. These are $20. Those big ones are $20. Look at that. Look at how pretty that one is. I had that one at home too, but I like the way it's like coming down. Let me see. No price on that arrangement. And what is this one called? Needle Crest. It's all and also in Apuntia. Okay, so I think that's it for all the plants in this section. These are some that didn't make it. Let me look in another area. In the nurseries, I ended up purchasing only this. I was looking for something that I didn't have, and I found this beautiful blue Echeverria blueprints. Very pretty. And then I went, this is my first stop. I went to go pay, and the lady there, she's my friend, and she's really nice. She's the one who gave me the shade cloth, and she's like, just take it. And I'm like, are you sure? She's like, yes. So she gifted it to me. So sweet. I have to go ahead and I'm gonna post it probably on Instagram. They are on Southern before 441. They're called Southern Gardens. So if you live here in Florida in the Palm Beach area, you can check them out. They're on Southern and before 441, and they're called Southern Gardens. So if you look it up, Southern Gardens, and you see it's 441, that's the one you can go to. And they are starting to bring a decent amount of succulents in. So just go ahead and check them out and let them know that I sent you, so she knows that I gave a shout out. And sorry for the noise, my husband is testing out the jet ski. And I'm gonna go ahead and give you a quick tour of the greenhouse. So I cleaned it up really good and I organized it, so I'm gonna show you guys, but I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the fan. And I'm just not gonna talk, I'm just gonna show you around how it looks. And I'm gonna go outside to see how clean it looks. Well, it's lightning, so I gotta hurry out.